Want to customize how searches work in Brave browser? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your default search engine, set a different search engine for private windows, and customize the search widget on the new tab page. Let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Once it's open, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the window. From the menu, click Settings. In the Settings page, look at the menu on the left side and click Search Engine. Here you'll find the settings for the search engine used in the address bar. By default, Brave Search is usually selected, but you can choose from several options including Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and others. Simply click the drop-down menu and select the search engine you want to use and click Set as Default. The change takes effect immediately. Just below that setting, you'll also find a separate option for private windows. This allows you to use a different search engine whenever you're browsing in a private window. For example, you could use Google for normal browsing and DuckDuckGo for private browsing, or any combination you prefer. Simply select your preferred search engine from the drop-down menu. Now, let's look at the search widget on the new tab page. This setting is separate from the address bar search engine. Open a new tab in Brave browser and look for the small gear icon near the top right corner of the page. Click the gear icon to open the Customize New Tab Page menu. Next, click Search. Here you'll find the setting for the search widget that appears on the new tab page. If you don't want a search widget at all, you can turn off the Show Search Widget in New Tabs option. You can select a different search engine for the widget without changing the search engine used in the address bar. Choose the option you want, and the widget will immediately begin using that search engine. And that's it. You now know how to change the default search engine, customize private window searches, and modify the new tab page search widget in Brave browser. If this guide helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Brave browser tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.